This cupcake is so good.
Hey, Joyce, what are you doing? These are supposed to be for Stacy's party.
I only ate a few.
But these aren't for you. I'm gonna go hide these. These cupcakes aren't safe. Joyce eats everything. I know. I'll make frozen ice cupcakes as a decoy. First, I need this tray so I can put my cupcake holders on them. Alright, let's fill it with water. Now we gotta put these in the freezer. And for the real ones, let's head in the oven. She'll never find these ones here. Let's go check on the frozen ones. Guys, this looks awesome! Time to make some frozen cupcakes. These look so good. Alright, let's put them in the freezer. Here she comes.
Now where should I hide those cupcakes? Not in here. It's not here either. I wonder if she put it in the freezer.
Yeah, check the freezer.
Oh great, I found them. I'm gonna eat them all. Ah, delicious cupcake. Why is it so cold and hard? Wait, is this ice?
I got you.
What are these?
Those are frozen cupcakes.
Frozen cupcakes? Time to make some popcorn.
Hey, you're making popcorn? Can I have some?
No way, Lily. And there's no more popcorn.
Oh, there's no more. Can I just have a little bit?
Nope.
Oh.
That must be my package. And don't think about touching my popcorn.
I can't believe her. Says she's so selfish, I'm gonna prank her. I'm gonna put wasabi in her popcorn so it's spicy. Alright, time to add some spice. Enjoy that spicy popcorn. Whoa, this is gonna get her good.
Huh? No one's here. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just smelling your popcorn. It smells good.
It's mine, and you didn't do anything to it, right?
Oh, I swear.
All right. Oh, my popcorn looks so good.
Can I have some, please?
Nope. This popcorn's all mine.
I put wasabi in your popcorn. That's what you get for not sharing.
Oh, so spicy, I need water. Hey Joyce, after breakfast, wanna go shopping with me? Shopping with you? Nah, I already have plans with Tony and Matt. Sorry, Stacy, you're just not fun like them. Oh, she only likes hanging out with boys. I'll show her. I'm gonna ruin Joyce's plan by freezing her shoes. Now, I'm gonna fill it up with water to freeze her shoes. First, add the water. And then add in both the shoes. And now we'll put it in the freezer. Alright, they're frozen. This is perfect. Now I gotta take it out. Time to put the shoes back. Now she won't be able to meet with the boys. Time to hide. This is gonna get Joyce so good. Why are my shoes frozen? I got you. Good luck meeting with the boys, Joyce. Stacy, come back. soda. Can you get me a new one, please?
Get it yourself.
Come on, please.
Fine, I'll get it for both of us.
Thank you.
Stacy's always having me get stuff. I have an idea. First, I'll need a bottle opener. And then grab some marshmallows. Now, I'm gonna take off the caps and clog it with the marshmallows. Wow, I finished clogging it. Good luck drinking it. Hey, I'm back.
There you are. What took you so long? Give it to me, please.
I just got distracted. Here you go.
Hey, what is this? I can't drink it.
I put a marshmallow inside to clog it.
Are you serious? I was so thirsty. Hey. You can't trick me. I'm gonna use this lighter to melt the marshmallow. First, I have to make sure to burn the marshmallow. Oh yeah, almost done. You can never trick me, Lily.
What?
Now I can drink it.
Oh man, I thought I got you.
Nice try. Oh, why is it so hot?
Joyce, why'd you turn on the fan?
It's because it's so hot in here.
But I'm so cold though.
Here, then use this blanket.
What? Are you serious? You're so rude, Joyce.
What? I gave you the blanket. She's finally gone now. Let me take a nap.
Why is Joyce always so mean to me? Oh! I'll get her back by turning this on maximum heat. Oh, she's sleeping. Shh. Time to turn it off. I gotta make it maximum heat. Now I gotta hide it. Enjoy your hot nap, Joyce.
Huh? Why is it so hot in here? The fan's on. What? Huh? What's that? Hey, this is Lily's heater. Lily! Where is she? Come and find her. Hey, Joyce. Hey. Oh. Hey, these are mine. You can't just come in here and steal my candy. Who do you think you are? Oh, come on, Joyce. Just one. No, don't even think about it. You're so mean. All done. Time to meet Amy. Oh, I have to hide these. Stacy definitely won't find these in here. Hey, she's gone. Where did she hide that candy? You can't hide them from me. Time to prank Joyce. I'm gonna melt all of her chocolate. Time to melt it. Ah, it's melting! Alright, it's melted. Time to put it back. That's what you get for being selfish. It's been such a long day. Oh, I can eat the candy. Huh? Why is it all melted? I'll still try it. I'm gonna squeeze it out now. Hey, it's actually better when it's melted. I love this.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our hot versus cold pranks video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button. Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!